Just going to meet up with my friends. A meeting. We have to discuss a few things. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Precious and I'm back again with another video. And yeah, today's Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. I really don't have content to put out, so I'll vlog today. I didn't put out any content last week because yeah, I know I owed to people videos. I know Losongo wants a friendship video. I said I must first make my friends sit down and try to get a video from them. And then the second one is the second video is from Bala, because the last video I talked a lot about how I do sewing, so she wants to know how I balance up medicine and all the other stuff I do apart from medicine. So those videos will be coming up. I just haven't been in the state to do a sit down video. But yeah, so today I have just gotten out of bed. I was like posting on my pages, like yeah, the stuff I do. So I was creating content and posting content. So now I've just gotten out of bed. I'm supposed to go, it's like I think 11 a.m. yeah, it's 11. I'm supposed to go and pay for my last rotation. I can't believe I'm saying this. You guys have gone through this journey with me. Actually, it's good to document this. So I'm going to pay for my last rotation, which is surgery. And yeah, I might do maybe radiology afterwards, or maybe like a week or two. But this is like out of the 4 rotations I've done internal medicine, I've done peds, I've done obs and gyn. Like surgery is the last, and I can't believe I'm saying this. So yeah, I'm just going to pay for that, and then I'm going to go to the secretary's office and try to get a letter. And then also I'm also going to meet up with my friends. We have like a mini meeting, something we're just supposed to sit down and talk about. So yeah, I'll just bring you guys along. Currently I just want to leave the house in a proper state. Like it's quite a mess. So we've been having a lot of power cuts. So for me it's been difficult to function with the power cuts. I just want to like clean up, like pick up the stuff and sweep the place, and I will start off. So let's do this. Guys, I've started off. I'm done cleaning the house. I'm wearing a dress. I will put a video. So I remixed this dress. It was actually, I got it, it's a thrift dress, and then I didn't really like it. So yeah, I love off shoulder. I just turned it into an off shoulder. But yeah, I've started off. So I'm going first to the mall to deposit the money into the bank. Then I take the receipt to the hospital, and then I go meet up with my friends. I hope you're enjoying this vlog. And for my hair, I have cornrows. Now this was something that was like really hard for me to do, like the whole cornrows. It was really hard for me to do because I used to do cornrows in high school. Never done them like in the past. I don't know if it's, I left high school like about 9 years ago. So I've never really had cornrows out on my hair. So when I was doing them, it's just because I wanted my hair to be up and braided, especially with the weather. But yeah, we're rocking the cornrows. African queen, Wati. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Hi guys, so we've paid for our last rotation, and now I'm just going to meet up with my friends. Yeah, I'm going to meet up with my friends. I'm excited. We are having a meeting. We have to discuss a few things. Sounds very serious. Anyway, it is serious. So yeah, the weather for the past 2 weeks has been raining. So like I'm almost there, but it's showering already, and I'm just like, Lord, we thank you for the rain, but I think it's enough for now. Like it's been really, really raining of late.
check it.
My fire friend. Guys, we're done with our meeting. Going home. It's like 8 p.m. We've actually spent like the past 2 hours laughing. But I'm with Muiza. Say hi. You look nice in your clothes.
Well, thanks.
Jesus, it at the right time.
No, we're just
My vlog, like Precious, you're a good person.
That's so weird. Precious, you're a good person.
Guys,
I love you.
how was the meeting, guys?
It was very interesting. With the gospel spreading abroad in all directions.
Yes, with us forcing to close in prayer because some people decided to match their assets. So much.
Much their assets.
You know.
Hi guys, so it's 30 minutes to midnight. Yeah, this is when I'm coming to film an outro. And I got home around, I think that was like 9, but 21 hours on 9 p.m. But there was no power, so I was in the dark for some time. Then when it came on, I was thinking of making food and eating because I actually didn't eat today. I only had those snacks which you saw me having the video with my friends. But it was I had a good day. I think this week I've been like indoors, so coming out, it was actually fun and I had a good day. Enjoyed meeting up with them. But I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, join the fam. And yeah guys, bye.